Ever wondered how to repair an iPhone 6s LCD at home? Today we're diving into this DIY task, potentially saving you a small fortune and a trip to the repair shop. But remember, delicacy is key when handling electronics. Stay tuned to find out how. First things first, gather your tools. You'll need a suction cup, a spudger, a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a P2 pentalobe screwdriver, and, of course, a new iPhone 6s LCD. These tools are readily available online, or at your local electronics store. Remember, safety is paramount. Handle these tools with care. The Phillips and pentalobe screwdrivers are particularly sharp and should be used responsibly. Now with your tools prepared, you're ready to start the repair. Next, carefully remove the old LCD. Begin by unscrewing the bottom screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once those are out, grab your suction cup and apply it to the screen. Gently lift the screen, but remember, it's still tethered to the phone. Now, it's time for the spudger. Use this to carefully disconnect the LCD. Be patient and gentle. You don't want to damage any vital components. And just like that, the old LCD is detached. With the old LCD removed, you're halfway there. Now it's time to install the new LCD. Start by gently connecting the LCD using your trusty spudger tool. Remember, precision is key here. Once connected, you're ready to reattach the screen to the phone body. Align it carefully before pressing it into place. Finally, let's screw everything back together. Here's a pro tip. Avoid over-tightening the screws. A gentle snug is all it needs. And voila, you've successfully repaired your iPhone 6s LCD at home. Congratulations on your successful repair. We've journeyed through gathering tools, LCD removal, and installation. Revel in the benefits of DIY repairs and explore more projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Remember, with the right tools and a little patience, you can fix just about anything. Until next time, happy repairing.